Alright, so here it is. Here's my Publix haul or Publix heist for the week. This is $183.44 with the goods. When it's all said and done, I had an overage, a moneymaker of $3.42. And as always, that total includes the tax. So we got to keep it real on our coupon boast here, real accurate. This is for the week of April 28th to May 4th, or April 27th to May 3rd if you live up north out of the state of Florida. So once again, I'm going to be doing this every week, uploading a video on the first day of the sale. So please subscribe to my channel so you can get this info right away and do the deals, because you never know when these deals go away. So the sooner you get the information, the sooner the better. Alright, let's go get right into the 17 or so best deals of the week that I thought I did. So right now I did some of these deals I did before, I did them again. So the Foodie pasta sauce, as I said, very hard to find at Publix, but if you can find them, I know the one store that has them. So of course I did my shopping there, and this coupon is for a free jar and it expires May 2nd, so you got a couple of days to do it. That's why this is the last time I'm going to do that deal. Wanted to do it, had a couple more laying around. So regular price is $6.99 and it's for a free jar. And I got the link and a detailed breakdown below, so if you want to do that deal, you can go below, print that coupon off, and do the deal. Kodiak pancake mix, same kind of thing. It is $6.29, and the manufacturer coupon for a free box. His expires April 30th, so in 2 days. So if you want to do that deal, get right on them. Once again, $6.29, and the coupon is for the full price. $6.29 comes off, so nothing for that. All right, keep going. Chobani oat milk right here. So these are regular price $4.49. So for two of them, it would come to $8.98. But they're BOGO this week. Buy one get one free. So you get two of them for $4.49. And there's a Blinky coupon right there. That's for the creamer, but the one for the milk looks identical to that. So I use two of those coupons, so I take two off and two off. And then I submitted to Ibotta for $1 back on each box, or each carton. So that was $2 more back. So spending $4.49, getting $4 back from manufacturer coupons, $2 back from Ibotta, making that $1.51 overage. Now, it might say limit of one on this, but they didn't have a problem with it. There's also a coupon from the Smart Source. I've got the link of that. If you can't use that, that's $1 off. Chobani creamer, same kind of thing. They're $4.49 each, so $8.98 total. However, once again, they're BOGO, so you get two of them for $4.49. And manufacturer Blinky coupon. A Blinky is like a dispenser that is right by the item, and it electronically shoots it out, and then every minute or so, or 2 minutes, it'll shoot it out. Once again, that's $2 off that Blinky. And once again, there is one from the Smart Source, I believe. Got the link for that, or the details for that coupon below. $4.49 spent for both of those. I used two of these manufacturer Blinky coupons. I took 4 off. And then Ibotta had $1. I got $1 back from Ibotta and $1 back from Checkout 51, making that also $1.51 overage. All right, keep going. The Barnana chips. So these were on sale for $3 last week, and I didn't know if they'd be on sale this week, so I went and looked, and there was one that was still marked 2 for $6, and you know what that means. So there is a manufacturer printable, so that took $1 off. The Baya has $1 back, so that took another $1 back. However, they ring up $4.29 because I guess they're not on sale anymore. But if it is advertised on the shelf or in any kind of flyer or coupon or whatever for a lower price, which 2 for 6 is $3 each, ringing up $4.29. They gave me a Publix promise. They refunded me $4.28, the price of the item. Obviously, I had already used the coupon and I'd already used the Ibotta rebate, so that was a $2 moneymaker on those. So that was good. Keep going. Splenda. liquid sweeteners. So sweet deal here. As always, I've done this deal many times, and once again, it came back. So whether you get the monk fruit liquid, the regular Splenda liquid, or the Splenda stevia liquid, the price of these are $4.19. So for 4 of the liquids was $16.76, and I got 4 of the stevias, that was $16.76. And as you can see, I got 6 of the monk fruit, whatever you want to do in whatever order. That was $25.14 for those. However, they are BOGO this week, so basically I got 14 in total, as you can see there. And $4.19 each times 7 instead of 14, because they are buy one get one free. It came to $29.33, and I used 7 of these $4 off of 2 coupons from the Save 410. So that took $28 off, making that only a, oh sorry, also I submitted to a Baya. They have for the stevia like liquid, but it ended up coming off, and it was $2 off times 2 of them, limited 2. So I took another $4 off. So that was a total of a $2.67 overage on these 14 Splenda liquid sweeteners. And also the Splenda originals, these are also BOGO for $4.79, and well, the regular price $4.79, so for 2 of them would cost $9.58. However, they're being BOGO, so they're only $4.79 for 2 of them. Using the same coupon for $4 off, I used that. And there is also a Baya bonus. Since I did the Splenda Diabetic Shake the week before, if you do these as well, you get $2 bonus on a Baya. So that came through, so that was $1.21 overage. And laying these on the table, I realized it excludes the 50 count and 100 count. But it scanned, and there was no problem. And I guess my cashier did not read it, so I got lucky kind of on that. Alright, Baya energy drink. These are $3 each, plus tax comes to $3.23. And there is a Publix digital coupon for a free one, completely free, so except for the tax. So that guy cost me 23 cents right there. Ready sports drinks, where are we at? I've gotten these a bunch of times now. So they are finally BOGO, so regular price is $2 each. So for 4 of them, would cost $8.60. However, as I said, they're BOGO, so for 4 of them cost $4.30. And if you go to checkout 51, there is $1 off of 2. So I used 2 of those $1 off of 2. That gave me $2 back. And a Baya has 50 cents off of each one, limit of 5. I got 4 here, so that was another $2 off. So spending $4.30, getting $2 back from checkout 51, $2 back from a Baya, made those guys only 30 cents. And usually I'm adding up to a category, so like spend $50, get $10 off your purchase. This week I had none, so that's why my week overage of $3.42. But I kept the streak alive of, gosh, every time I've been to the grocery store. You can check my other paid to shop videos. Now it's been a year and a half where every week I'm coming out with them paying me. Last week they paid me $34, so I did not do as good as I did last week, but still got paid to shop. Schick Extreme razors. This is my next deal here. These are regularly $7.99, so with tax comes to $8.59. However, they are on sale for $5.99 this week. So with tax, that makes it only $6.44. And there is a manufacturer coupon from the Smart Source April 24th, taking $4 off. Then coupons.com also has $4 off. So I was able to get $4 off from the manufacturer coupon, $4 back from coupons.com app. So it made that a $1.56 overage. Now this does say, very funny, but excludes, I think it says, excludes Schick Extremes. 2 count and 6 count, I guess, or, okay. Anyways, this is a 4 count, so we're good right there. Once again, Keep going. Stem insect spray. This is pretty interesting stuff here. So this is regularly $7.49 each. So for two of them with tax would cost $16.10. However, they're on sale for a little bit, so they're $1 off. So $6.49 each for these guys. So $6.49 times 2, factor the tax, you're looking at $13.95. And there is a BOGO manufacturer coupon from the Smart Source April 24th for buy one get one free. I love those coupons, especially if it's BOGO, but unfortunately it's not BOGO. So that took $6.49 off. And there's also a Publix digital coupon for $6.99 off of 2. So that rang off. So that took off $6.99. So in total, $13.95. Got $6.49 back from that coupon. $6.99 back from the Publix digital coupon, or off from the Publix digital coupon. Those two guys only cost me 47 cents. All right, keep going. Now these are great here. The Dove Ultimate. It is the Dove Ultimate deodorant, antiperspirant, whatever you want to call it, and the Dove Men+care Ultimate. They're ultimate in price. So the regular price for these guys are $10.59. So for $10.59, you add the tax, that's $11.38 for each of these. So for two of them, that costs $22.76. I mean, that's like airport pricing. So $22.76 for these two deodorants. Yikes. But anyways, they are on sale slightly for $8.99. So $8.99 each. So for two of them with the tax comes to $19.33. And there is a store coupon from the Extra Savings Books. It takes $3 off of 2. And then there is a coupon for $2 off of 2 from the Save from April 24th. And then Ibotta had $5 off of the women's and $4 off of the men+care. So in total, $19.33 spent. Got $3 back from the Extra Savings coupon, $2 off from the manufacturer coupon, $5 from Ibotta, and $4 from Ibotta, and then I had Ibotta any item. So making them only $5.23. So not bad, still high, but wow, I guess I'll be smelling fresh for like a month if I use that. Let's keep it going. Bubbies mochi ice cream, mochi, whatever. So $5.99 each box for two of them. With the tax comes to $12.88. However, they're BOGO, so $5.99 for you get $5.99 for both boxes plus the tax came to $6.44. There is a manufacturer printable coupon for $1 off. I got the link to print that below, as well as the breakdown of everything I'm saying. So check that out in the details below. That I used 2 of those, so that took $2 off. Ibotta has $1.25 back on each one, so that took $2.50 off. So $6.44 spent, $2 off from 2 manufacturer printable coupons, $2.50 back from Ibotta, making those 2 boxes only $1.94. And finally, Dulcolax. I didn't use this, okay, but hopefully I won't need to. Regular price for this is $6.99, so factor the tax, you're looking at $7.51 for that. And there is a manufacturer coupon for $3 off from the Smart Source April 24th. That's $3 off right there. And coupons.com also has $3 off. So $7.51 spent for that. You get $3 off from the manufacturer coupon. You get $3 back from coupons.com rebate, making that only $1.51. So in total, this week, paid to shop $3.42. So, what did I have? $183.44 for the goods. Had an overage moneymaker of $3.42 this week, and I kept my streak alive. Not a huge overage moneymaker, but still managed to get paid to shop this week. So once again, please subscribe to this funny looking guy right here. Check out my past paid to shop videos, and everybody enjoy their couponing this week.